Okay guys, another of my videos kind of teaches you about my birds and another type of thing that they like. And this is just a normal video where you learn these things about birds, and my bird videos usually the best. Now, I took a lot of time on these videos, so I'm gonna show you my cats. You guys probably saw them in another video, but you haven't for the rest of people. So I'm just going to show you guys them after, when I get the chance, cause kinda I'm good now. Alright guys, a little bit shy, cause we're in a video, and they're a little bit shy. And we have both of them in their cage, and they like to eat stuff. And we have my bird. You see that bird? Guys, you might see a little bird. It's hard to see in there. It's the white one. I'm sorry, the camera, it's a little bit hard, but I recommend you just to be so, and other things, stuff like that. I'm not sure. And guys might want to see them on my finger, so I'm gonna show you. They can go on my finger. It's very hard to keep them out the cage because they don't have custom. They're accustomed to. Then they want the cage. They don't really want to be out now, but they just split out. Okay. So we have a closer view. That's just all of them. And one flew into the cage. The other one went from this one. And that's about it. About my videos about birds. This might be less than that, because soon I'll show you guys my bird's eggs. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.